And welcome back to my YouTube channel Fibonacci Cycles by Nitin Mandari. We'll start with the update on all the stocks and especially the Nifty Bank Nifty heavyweights. So Axis Bank, it's still in the limbo. It is not giving any clear direction. It is trying to go into neutral zone, but not yet. And if you see the last three candles, it is making inside candles. So there is nothing uh, concrete or strong happening here, except the fact that 779 level is still being acting as a strong support zone. So 779 and above, this has a potential to rally. And if we draw a pretty point for this, another way to gauge that how much it can go higher, and if we try and see that what can happen to this, so this has a potential to go to 815, which is again a double top triple top zone. 820, 818, it has been coming again and again in the projected price. So it is looking good as long as it is holding above this green line, which is a starting point from here, which is 779. There are a number of resistance here, which are these lines. So once it breaks, I think it will go into one go and it will try and go higher here. A turn back below 779 will open the doors for 740. So this is the clear for Axis Bank right now. Then we go for Bharti Airtel, as I've been mentioning, and this is a stock which I am tracking for long, long time. So this is hourly chart, but on the daily chart, if we see, so Bharti is again struggling at this price line, which is a Uranus price line and which governs the tech stock. So communication stock and tech stock. So communication stock being here, and you see that it is acting as a strong point here. So below this, there is a lot of problem to this stock and it can sharply go lower. The stochastics are suggesting there is a possibility of a down move from here until or unless the stochastics turn back tomorrow and it holds above 689 level. So I would say watch 689 level and see what happens to this level. This is an important point because this is 687 is also a 38.2% retracement of whole rally from here to here, and it has bounced back to above that level. So that's why it is important. So what could be the potential target on the upside if it resumes a uptrend move? So then it has a potential to go to 728 or maybe double top zone 750, and we'll see. But right now it is showing some kind of weakness. So one has to be careful below 689. Next, we take it SDFC Bank. So SDFC Bank, still it is not showing. It is showing consolidation here all the time. All these candles and stochastics though are into bullish zone, but still it is not showing the strength they should show. What does that mean? This means that it may give a sharp move on any day. And what could be the targets on the upside? It's 1690 is a target, which is a possible target. But below 1565, so this line I've been mentioning for many times. This line is very important. 1545 it was, and now it is moving up. So 1565 is now level. Below that, then it is done for the rally, and maybe it will try to go down. Usually when stock moves like this for a long time, this is called consolidation or distribution or acquisition accumulation phase. So we have to see that how the big boys are acting here, and we have to see a clear direction from here. So either it breaks above this high here, which is 1630, or breaks below 1571. So this is a tight range. Watch for it. HDFC, another Nifty 50 heavyweight. You know my view on this stock for a long time. It is underperforming. It will continue to underperform for some time, looks like. And it is a possible target is 2665. That's what is happening in this stock. Uh, until it start moving up sharply. Till then, I'll continue to be cautious on this stock on the long side. HDFC Life, again, lot of distribution. It is taking time for getting a new direction. But the good point is it is holding the weekly trend change point, which is 720. But it has to convincingly go above 733 to make us something sizable move on the upside. Until then, it will continue like this. The stochastics are saying a warning sign, so one has to be careful. So maybe either it will time correct than the price correct. So what is a time correct? It may not correct with the price, but it may consolidate here for some time. ICICI Bank, again, the level remains same. The previous videos, 700 line has been very important point. The stochastics are into neutral zone, not into neutral zone, in the bearish zone, but they want to go up. Looks like they are trying to pull up, and you see this candle after alternate date is making a higher high. So let's see how it works. So any downside 700 and below, sharp downside. Until then, it may try and go higher, maybe 725 or 730 level. IndusInd Bank, again, still super performing. This stock is looking good, but the stochastics are now warning it. So it needs to break above 1190 and above. It will have a sharp up move towards the new levels. So that gives sharper, higher price targets for this stock. Below, what could be the bearish view, or what could be the sharp downside move possible? Below 1125 and lower, there is a problem. Infosys, if we remember that I mentioned that this stock wants to go higher, and it is going higher. It's a earning season, it's a result calendar season, so we have to watch. So these are the two lines, 1670 and on the upper side 1750. Maybe it will consolidate here for some time before giving any further direction. Breaking below 1670, 1665 is a sharp downside move. ITC, again, it is at the critical juncture now. 231.75 is the level, and it closed at 232.70. The stochastics have entered quickly into bearish zone, and when a stochastics are in the bearish zone, there is a probability that it may try to go lower. But with respect to the prices, I think it is the same case. It may not correct big on the price side, but it may correct on the time side. Kotak Bank, as I mentioned, 2010 and all that level, superb. They work very well. Now it is in danger right now. So a further down move will take it to maybe 1845 or so. It needs to quickly go back above 1980, 1990 level to regain the upside. Larson consolidation, but now it looks like it wants to go up. So maybe this is a trade for long side. I may think of below 1690. This long trade will not be valid. So this could be the stop loss, but I may take this long trade. I'll see on the Monday how does it behaves. McDowell, I've been considering for a long time. So it gave the false signal here. It broke out, and now it is at the lifetime high. The stochastics has a lot of juice, so it can further rally from here. Then we go to the SBI. Again, same problem here. Consolidation, a lot of consolidation here. One, two, three, triple top zone, failure, triple top. So maybe this is ready for a down move, maybe to 440 or 450. A quick move above 480 will take us to a new lifetime high. So watch for it. But right now it is showing weakness, but it can curl up quickly also. So care. careful attitude towards this stock. TCS result season, result calendar, sharp move, then again cooled off, but still it is in the weekly time frame. It is in the bearish zone. So for next week, 3950 and above, that would open a door for 4200 or maybe higher. And stochastics have just entered into bullish zone. So a cautious stand on this stock on the short side below this line, which is 3892, it will again open the short, but until then there is a problem on the short side on this stock. And Reliance, so the chart is speaking out itself. This is huge breakout here with them on the Mars price line, and this has sharply gone to a new territory. So maybe 2720 is the target here. That is a possible zone where it will stop. And stochastics are still into bullish zone, though it has curled down, but still it is in the bullish zone. So any curl up of the stochastic, this stock can rally sharply. I've been mentioning about this stock for a long time, that this will be the stock which will hold the Nifty when other stocks will get sold off. And yesterday was the day when it got 92 rupees up in a one day superb move. Bank Nifty. So again, the problem, it's not saying anything clear that where it wants to go. It is holding above the lifetime high. Now this level is acting as a strong support now, 37745. So watch this level, and maybe it will try to attempt to break 38,400 and 39,240. So the price target is around 38,700 approximate. That is the price target. And another price target, which could be a quicker one, I can take it from this low to this low here and project it from here. So yeah, the same. It's approximate that level, 38,800. So that could be the possible target on the Bank Nifty. The stochastics are into bullish zone. The only thing is the curve is not so great. So anyways, Bank Nifty has been underperforming with a huge margin to the Nifty. So that may continue for some time. And the last Nifty is, so Nifty has a potential for 18,200 to 18,400 zone. That's the potential target. But look at the curve here also. Here also the move is very shallow. It's not very sharp move. So one has to be careful on the long side at these higher levels. As long as it is holding above 17,800, there is a possibility it has to go to 18,400, 18,200. But below this, once it breaks, get out, get out of the long position. So guys, that's all for Nifty, Bank Nifty and its constituent stocks. Thank you for watching, subscribing. I've been, due to personal reasons, I've been irregular and the videos are not with the length and detail. I'm trying to give whatever I can give in this time. So that's all. Have a good weekend. Happy trading. Thank you so much.